And here we have the heater upgrade. This little 50-watt silicone 3M stick-on heater. Plugs into 110 volt. For the garage, just keep it a little warmer in the wintertime. Also, that would be the automatic drain. Just put it through a pipe there, or a hose going underneath the compressor, tied it down, got it shooting kind of out the front door. And there it is. Works pretty well. Been using it for about 5-6 hours today. Hooked it up early this morning. Had the compressor running. It probably ran about, probably went off about 20 times. It definitely removed a lot of water from the tank. Better than me manually draining. Also installed a bigger water trap with a valve. Again, it just goes underneath the compressor. And moisture catcher, or dryer. Works so-so for now.